Question 1 wants us to find the volume, a volume's a revolution question, and the volume, to find it, we times the function by pi and by itself. So it's the y, the equation that y is written in terms of x squared. This one is between 0 and 4. So the first thing we need to do is square this expression here. So 2 plus e to the half x squared. So I'm going to multiply those brackets out before we integrate it. Squaring a bracket, we're going to get 2 squared, which is 4. We're going to get 2 lots of these two things times together, so that's going to be 4 again, 4e to the half x. And then we're going to times e to the half x by itself. So e to the half x squared. And that's going to be e to the x. When we have a power of a power, we times the powers together. So that's just going to be e to the x. So that's it now multiplied out. We've squared it, but now we still need to integrate it. So now I'm going to integrate each of those terms. I'm going to keep that pi out the whole way through this question. I'm not going to put it in at any point. I'm just going to leave it out as a factor. Integrating 4, we've got 4x. Integrating this one, we're going to pretend this is an x and integrate it. So that's going to be 4e to the half x. But then we need to divide by the coefficient of x, so we need to divide by a half, but that's the same as timesing by 2. And then e to the x integrates to e to the x between 4 and 0. So again, leaving the pi outside, substituting the 4 in now. 4 times 4 is 16. Here we've got 8 e to the a half times 4, so 8e to the 2, 8e squared. And then plus e to the 4. We're going to subtract what we get when we substitute 0 in. So we're going to get 0 from this one. E to the 0 is 1, so we're going to get 8 from that middle term. And e to the 0 is 1, so we're going to get a 1 from there. Collecting the 16 and the 9 together is going to give us a 7. So we've got pi times 7 plus 8e squared plus e to the 4. You can times each of these things by pi, but you don't need to. You can leave it like that.